Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to convert image to HTML web page in Photopea. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Photopea software and open the JPG image file. Now you can see here the image file. Now we want to convert this HTML web page. Go to the file menu, select this export as option. Now I am select this web option. We can see here the save for web and click save option, then select the saving file option and go to the location. Now we can see here the web file. Now I am open this web file on our browser, click OK. Now we can see we convert the JPG to web HTML file very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.